Thank you for staying with KTN Prime. Let's take a look at business news. The government has set aside 30 billion shillings to pay businesses tax refunds owed to them. This will come as welcome relief to the private sector for years that has called out to the government for dragging its feet in meeting tax refund claims. And as Adelaide Changole now reports, companies will have a reason to smile as it will re-inject capital necessary to sustain business growth.
The old adage goes that you must give Caesar what belongs to Caesar. And in Kenya, the Kenya Revenue Authority has ensured that is upheld. But while the private sector has played ball in ensuring it settles its dues, the taxman has been rather slow in settling tax refund claims from businesses. The backlog ballooned under the old VAT system, where more than 400 goods were exempt from tax and many others subjected to disjointed tax treatment, which saw refund claims hit 30 billion shillings.
While the new VAT law has significantly reduced the flow of VAT refunds, claims, the backlog remains unsettled with adverse effect on our taxpayers.
This ensured that businesses lacked funds to run basic operations, forcing many of them to turn to expensive loans to bankroll their affairs. But the state now says it has hatched a plan that will see the full 30 billion shillings owed to taxpayers settled by next year.
I expect the first bunch of the claims amounting to 10 billion Kenya shillings to be paid in the month of January 2015, with the balance being cleared within the same quarter.
The announcement comes in the backdrop of this year's taxpayer awards. Over the last 9 years, KRA has seen revenue collection grow from 274 billion shillings in 2005 to 964 billion shillings collected in the last financial year, with President Uhuru Kenyatta emphasizing the need for everyone to pay their taxes.
This is the price of our freedom, and this is the fuel for our development.
During this year's award, Safaricom was declared the overall winner for the 7th year in a row, with the Teacher Service Commission taking second place and the Ministry of Interior and Coordination of National Government coming third. The Kenya Commercial Bank, Kenya Breweries, Equity Bank, Standard Chartered Bank, Barclays Bank of Kenya, Kenya Pipeline and the Ministry of Health completed the list of the top taxpayers in the country. Samsung was the top taxpayer for the medium taxpayer category, and IBM East Africa was the top taxpayer for the small taxpayer category. Adelaide Changole, KTN Business.